Hi guys, welcome to this another new unboxing. Got this new mouse from Logitech MX Master 3, and this is going to replace my existing MX Master 2S. Still strong, no issues. I just wanted something new because I got a new desk setup and I just wanted to buy a new mouse to replace this existing mouse and didn't find anything comparable to this. The closest one was Razer Pro Clip Glide, but read the reviews, they're not as good as this one. I also use this another mouse for travel, MX Anywhere 2S. I don't feel like replacing it right now because of COVID. I've not been traveling that much, but this also still holds strong, no issues. But I just wanted to spend more time on this home desk now. That's why I thought maybe it's time to replace this existing mouse with the new one. So without further ado, let's open this box. So how do we open it? Okay, there's this seal on top, and maybe this is how we open it. There's the box inside. And here we have the mouse. The unifying receiver is here, and this is the mouse. It is taller than 2S. Feels good. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we have this small black cardboard box which has some paperwork and a USB-C cable and a promotion for MX keys, their other keyboard, and there was this other video where I showed I recently at the same time when I got this new MX Master 3, I got this MX Keys mini keyboard as well. Feels quite heavy. You can watch this video in the description. And I got both of these devices together, and so I paid 7363 Indian rupees for MX Master 3 and 11,995 for this Logi MX Keys Mini. And here we have the mouse. It also feels lighter than the 2S. Maybe my hands are very used to the 2S. First noticeable difference is this MX Master 3S has a higher height. I faced some issues with the placement of this scroll wheel on the side scroll because while moving sometimes thumb keeps automatically pushing this scroll, which causes slight issues with on-screen display. But with this one, the button placement is different. Buttons aren't near the gesture button and the scroll wheel is completely separate, and that's one of the major reasons why I thought that I should get a new mouse which would not have this issue. Overall feels kind of smaller than 2S. Certainly feels smaller, but overall productivity wise we'll see it now. start using it, and then we'll share a review. So this is the new Logitech MX Master 3. Thanks everyone. See you in the next video.